Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video I am doing a Walmart haul, as you can tell by the title. And as you can see, I'm pretty excited. I'm always excited to do a Walmart haul. Y'all already know that is my favorite place to shop. So per usual, you're gonna go shopping with me. In the beginning, I will try to have everything of what I can linked in the description box below. You already know that some things are not online, but just, you know, only in stores. But again, I'll let you know what those things are in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, sis. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. So per usual, you are going to go shopping with me. Basically just look around my store, see what my store has to offer. Then we'll go ahead and jump into styling the outfits. Okay, so let's get into this first outfit. As you can see, we have this graphic t-shirt and it's Tupac. It says Tupac on it, and then at the bottom it says trust nobody. Ain't that the truth? But anyway, so I got this in the men's department and I got a 2XL. 2XL was not my first choice given the outfit or whatever. I really would have got it in a size medium and or a large, but this was the last top that they had, so I just went ahead and got it. Again, y'all, it fits me okay, but for this outfit choice I probably would have sized down, so do keep that in mind. I did have to tuck this top in the back just to, you know, take away some of the fabric, because again, it's kind of big, but I'm not mad at the fit because y'all already know I like oversized things. But for this outfit, I didn't want it to be oversized, if you get what I'm saying. So again, I don't mind that it's a 2XL, and I'm just gonna keep it like that. Just, well, I have no choice because this was the last one, but anyway, I'm just gonna keep it like that just because, you know, I can wear this with a different, you know, type of outfit. But yeah, so it's just Tupac. It doesn't say the price, but I want to say that these are $7.99. You know how much their t-shirts are. So yeah, $7.99, super cute. Then I paired it with, ooh girl, let's turn it around. I paired it with this skirt. Now y'all, this skirt is super cute. Girl, I can never talk. As soon as I saw this skirt, I already knew I was gonna get it. Now this skirt came out of the women's department, and it also came in another color, which was brown. The brown is really popping. I just couldn't find anything to go with it. Anyway, so I got it in black and white, which is just really standard and easy to like match up or whatever. It has these fringes on it, and the, what is this material? I don't know. It's very thick. I don't know what type of material it is, y'all, but no, and it doesn't say, but it's very thick, like very thick and very structured. I got this in a size small. It's from the brand Time and True, and it's $24.98. So not a bad price. I would suggest you sizing down because I first got a size medium, and sis, medium is my normal size, but the medium was so big, honey, super big, and the small is still kind of big. I probably could do an extra small because these run big, so definitely size down. I didn't do an extra small because this is not as stretchy. It has the stretch, ooh, it has the stretchy little elastic in the back, but in the front it's just regular. So at first I was having a hard time trying to get into it because it essentially needs to stretch over my thighs, but once it's over my thighs and up to my waist, it's kind of still big. So I'm just going to keep the small again because I did have to like you know, scoot it up a little bit. Girl, why I gotta do that? But I did have to scoot it up a little bit. But besides that, I mean, it fits me better than the medium did, but I like it, like, and I love that it's thick, perfect for the fall and winter time. You can wear like some boots. The way I have it styled is kind of, it's not a boot, it's a sneaker boot. It's like a Rick Owens dupe shoe. I paired it with that because I did want to put it, anyway, girl, because I'm about to ramble. But anyway, so I paired it with like the little Rick Owens dupes because it was black and white, and I just kind of wanted to dress this down. And then yeah, with a red lip and then a little what is that called? What is that little thing called, girl? I can't think of it, but you see it. It's like a little bag per clutch. That's what it is. I paired it with a little furry clutch just to, I don't know, I think it looks really good like that though, you know, real cute. So y'all, next is this jacket that I made into a dress. This probably is my favorite. Okay, I take that back. The first one isn't my favorite. This one is definitely my favorite. Like, girl, I'm excited about this one. This one is bomb. So I got this out of the women's section, but I got it from the women's plus size section. And again, y'all, I don't even need to tell you that I love oversized things. So going to the plus size is always for me because I like oversized items. So I just don't see nothing wrong with shopping in plus size. Like, girl, I'm not opposed to any section. If I could fit kids, I would probably shop in the kids too. Anyway, so again, I got this from the plus size section, and it's from the brand Terra and Sky, and I got it in a OX. And then in parentheses it says it's a 14W. I'm not really sure what that 14Y. I'm not sure what that means. But yeah, it fits me perfectly. It's not too big, it's not too small. Like, sis, it's literally the perfect fit, the perfect length. Again, y'all, this is literally a jacket. Very good material, very thick. You can as well wear this in the winter as well if you wanted to. It has buttons, it has pockets up here. This as well came in other colors. I think it was black and white. Was it black and white or black and gray? No, I think it came in black and white, black and gray, and then like a white and purple. Sis, get one of these. These are super cute. And then of course it has the little sash or whatever to tie it. And overall, sis, turning this into a dress was just the best thing I could have done. Like, this is bomb. Oh, I'm ending it like this is bomb and that's it. I forgot to tell y'all how I paired it. So I paired it with a pair of boots. They're thigh-high boots. They're super old. I got them from Charlotte Russe when Charlotte Russe was Charlotte Russe, because now they're no longer Charlotte Russe. If you get it, you get it. Anyway, and then yeah, with the little lip, like, sis, it's fierce. And then the bag I got from Shein. Like, we doing something. We going somewhere in this outfit. Oh y'all, and that dress was $29.98. So anyways, the next item we have is this set. Y'all, I'm excited about this set. And I actually had walked past the set, not even paying it any mind. I came back and I was like, ooh, when they put those out. But anyway, so this is from the women's section. It's from the brand Time and True. This as well came in like this pretty dark blue, but it was plain, and I didn't want to do plain. I wanted to do like this, you know, pattern type deal. And I'm glad I did because these colors are definitely giving. Anyways, this top was $14.98. Again, a size medium. The material is very thick material. It's kind of like their last set. I got a brown one like this as well. So it's really pretty much the same thing, just different colors or whatever. So yeah, very thick material. I don't really like the way that it's shaped. It's kind of like a crop top, but a longer crop top because it's cropped at the bottom, not so much as like a short crop, but it's cropped. So yeah, I literally just tucked it up underneath my bra to make it a crop top because again, the fit at the bottom was not giving. And I apologize now because I did not show you guys what it looked like undid. But sis, you didn't want to see it anyway. Trust me, you did not. But you see at the bottom, so picture just wearing a skirt and then the bottom is so long and big. It just wasn't giving. So I did you guys a favor by not showing you and just tucking it in, and it looks cute that way. So this is the bottoms, y'all. I don't know what it is, but I think their bottoms are running, or maybe it's just the skirts. The bottoms are running big because the medium big. too big, but the small fits me just perfect. So again, y'all, it's from Time and True, of course, and I got this for $14.98 as well. So 15 for the top, 15 for the bottom. And yeah, again, nice material. It has a little split at the bottom, which is cute, and the split is on the side. So it's just a really cute skirt. It's not like too form-fitting. It literally fits perfect. It's kind of loose at the bottom, but you can't even tell, because typically I don't like when it's like real loose or whatever, because then you kind of look like grandma. But I think it's cute, especially with the way I paired it. We have on the same boots that I had on prior to, with the same bag, and you know, have the lip to like just give it, you know, its overall little boom, you know, that boom factor. Anyway, next is this green dress. Y'all, now that I'm thinking about it, I kind of went girly on y'all this time. Like, I'm normally in a whole bunch of sneakers, and now I'm in boots and heels. And anyway, so this is from the women's section as well, from the brand Beach Lunch Lounge. Y'all, I think, am I nearsighted or farsighted? Because I literally could not see that. Anyway, so it's just like a really cute sweater dress. I'm not gonna say it's thick, but it's kind of just right. Like, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. Again, y'all, it's perfect. I don't know, I ain't gonna lie, I probably would have liked it better if it was a little thicker. But anyway, so yeah, she's cute though. They had this in green and gray, and of course I had to choose green because I just feel like you can do a lot with green. So let's see, what is the price on this thing? This was $26. Okay, not bad. And it's like a midi dress. I love the length. Like, I'm a sucker for midi dresses. Like, it's just real cute. The material is not too itchy. I will say that it was just a little, like, it's not itchy, but it's like a little something. I don't even know what that something is, but it's a little something to where I don't know, maybe you want to put something underneath it, but besides that, it is what it is. It's not too itchy or whatever, and it's just super cute. I love it. I paired it with a pair of brown boots, and then my little Steve Madden bag. You see it, sis. You see it. I'm excited. I got a Steve Madden bag. So yeah, I paired it with that because it matched the boots perfectly. And then I kept a little lip on because, again, we're going for like fall looks or whatever. So I think everything turned out cute. Okay, y'all, take it back. This is my favorite outfit. You already know, like, I'm just a sneaker type of girl. Like, I really like to be like real chill or whatever. So anyways, this is the next outfit. This is the top. It's just real cute and plain. I got this from the men's section, by the way, and I got it in a size medium. Of course, because the medium was the only size that they had, or else I would have got a large. Y'all already know how I do. I like to upsize. But anyways, it says see the good in all things. And it's just a picture of mushrooms. Now let me say this. Let me say this to get this out the way, because I don't know what that means, and I know people be doing shrooms or whatever, because my friend did, and he told me he took a trip, and I didn't know what a trip was. So I was like, where did you go? Because that's how square I am. And then he told me what that meant, and I was like, oh. So see the good in all things. I don't know if that's a hidden message. I will hope not, because it's Walmart, but I just want to get that out the way so y'all don't, if it is a hidden message that I don't know about because I'm so square, that y'all don't think anything on it. To each his own. Whatever y'all do is what y'all do, but I just want to put that out there because yeah. Anyway, so back to the shirt. The shirt fits me nicely. Again, it's just mushrooms, and it went perfectly with the jacket. But let's get into the pants first. So these are the bottoms. Oh, and the shirt was $7.99. So these are the bottoms. My bottoms are very old. Like, y'all, I shop at Walmart all the time, and I refuse to repurchase something because they have these every year, but every year they kind of are different. So mine, maybe I got like 2 years ago, and they still fit me perfectly, but they look the same. It's literally the same. I got mine in a size 30-30. That's how old these are, because I don't know if I grew, but I really should have got a 30-32 because they're kind of too short. Anyway, and it's from the brand No Boundaries, which the ones that are in stores now are No Boundaries as well. The only difference in my pants is that the bottom has this type of string Let me see if y'all can see it. Y'all can see it has that type of little string or whatever. The ones that are out right now literally has a drawstring as opposed to my little thing or whatever. So that's literally the only difference, but it's the same type of style. But yeah, these are the little cargo pants, and cargo literally just goes with everything. I think it's an essential, like, to get you a pair of cargo pants, because and camouflage at that, because they literally go with everything. But yeah, again y'all, a size 30-30. I want to say that these are 19, either 19 something or 21 something, don't quote me, but I think when I got mine they were 19, so I think they probably went up to 21, but between 19 and 21 is the price. So y'all, then I paired it with this jacket, y'all. This jacket is everything. As soon as I saw this jacket, I already knew. So I got this out of the men's section, and this jacket was $34. I'm telling you now because I already wore this jacket and tore the tags off. So yeah, it was $34. I got it in a size medium. The medium fits me oversized. Now I will say this, I wear a size medium in men's because it's kind of like that oversized look for me. I typically probably should wear a size small, so a medium is upsized to me, but sometimes I do go up an extra size just to make it big, and I'm so glad I did not do that this time because this is already oversized in itself. So if you want it to be oversized like me, a medium, if you're my size, a medium should fit you literally just right. Don't do too much because this jacket is already big, but it's like this terry cloth material, very soft and just, girl, and thick. Then it has like these brown pockets. Like, the color contrast is perfect. This actually came in blue as well, which I slick think I'm gonna go back and get the blue one. Hopefully it's there, because when I was styling the outfits and doing the videos how I would do for you guys, this girl was watching me. So after I walked away and got my little jacket or whatever, she went over there and was looking at them, and I'm like, sis, this girl was over there before I got over there. Y'all know how that goes. I'm flattered. Let me just say that I'm flattered. I just hope that the blue one is there, because I did see her walk away with the blue one. That's what I get for not getting the thing when I was there. Anyway, child, so yeah, the jacket is just super cute. Again, it's big, oversized, how I like it. I paired it with my old little Fila's or whatever. I didn't put a bag with this just because I just wanted you guys to see the outfit for this one. But if I did have to choose a bag, it would be a crossbody bag, just to, like, you know, dumb it down or whatever, not be too dressy, just be a little street. But yeah, it's a cute outfit, girl. So this last look is basically the same thing as the look that I just showed you guys, just with a different top. Y'all, again, when I saw this top, I already knew. So originally I got this top, well, first of all, I got it in a size extra large from the men's section, and it's from the brand Free Assembly. Again, I wore this one as well, but this one was $28. Again, y'all, I got it in a size extra large only because the way that I was originally gonna style this this sweater was as a dress, and I was gonna put some thigh-high boots on, some denim thigh-high boots with a denim little bag. Sis, it was about to be cute, but my denim boots was not the kind of boots, because it has like rips and stuff in them. It just didn't go with this. So until I get my denim boots, I'm gonna show you guys probably on my TikTok or Instagram, so make sure you follow me, what the outfit's gonna look like when my denim boots come in, because I had to order some different ones. But I just went ahead and styled this with the same pants that you guys just saw me have on, because camouflage goes with everything. But yeah, I paired it with that, and then I paired it with some orange Jordans, just because, you know, you see the orange, and then an orange little Zara bag, and I think it looks cute with the little gold jewelry or whatever. I think everything looks cute together. Again, I had to get, well, I didn't have to get, I got the extra large to make it as a dress. So if you guys think it looks big, it is, because I wanted it to be a dress. And I actually went back to get like a size large, but the men must have loved this sweater, because it was only 2 more left, and that was a double XL. So yeah, I just had to stick with my little extra large or whatever. So yeah, I mean, it's cute for what it is. The outfit turned out nice. So yeah, so that concludes this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.